Today we're going to be demoing another knife skills demonstration using a bell pepper. My name is Matt. I'm one of the instructors at the CLC. So before we get started, why don't we bring in our bell pepper that we can cut. Benjamin, why don't you come on in and bring this? Get in the shop, Ben. Say hi to everybody in the world.
Hi.
There he goes. Good job, Ben. All right. Bell peppers, common ingredient most of us are used to at home, I can take. So what we're going to do is, and there's lots of ways you can cut a bell pepper, by the way. Everybody has their own technique. But I'm going to show you the one that I use. I think it's pretty easy, straightforward. We're going to take our knife, and we're just going to make a cut at the top. And you can see when we make that cut, the stem tends to just come right out like that, so we can use this top piece for later. And then what I do, I just really get my hand in there and take out the seeds. Simple as that. You might see other people take their knife and cut around the whole inside. I think that's a little overkill that you don't really need. Some people stress too much about getting the ribs out. Again, the ribs aren't bad, they're only going to give you a little bit more fiber, okay? So now we got our pepper with our top off. Now from here we can do a number of different things. If we want to just simply stuff the pepper, we leave it as is, and then you can put your stuffing right in and then just bake that off like that. If we want to cut it smaller, let's say we have a nice onion dip or hummus, we want to cut slices of peppers, all we can do is just slice this guy right down the middle. And then we can make some slices. We can half it one more time like this. And then from there, just cut nice long slices. There's one there. There's another. So these are nice little dipping pieces, okay? Now, what do we want to make them smaller if we want to make like a base for a soup or a stew, something like that? Well, we can do our same long cuts like this, and then we can just simply dice. Now, notice we're always using our claw technique with our fingertips back. And from there, we can just rock back and forth with our knife into smaller pieces. All right. And there you have it. Now we can put that in a nice soup or stew or stir fry or anything you want to do. All right. So that's it, folks. Join us again. We're going to be demoing a lot more veggies and fruits here, and we'll be doing some recipes as well. Thank you for joining us. Have a good day.